this case.
Why are they focused so much on the law clerk? I know there was that photo that they claimed made her biased. It was her and Chuck Schumer. This is when she was running for something that she needed to be elected to. By the way, this is the Attorney General. I believe this is her walking out. She's going to be addressing the cameras when she does get outside. Is it just something to seize on politically? I mean, is that what we can take for this? That they're right now they're grasping for anything. That's why they're saying the judge said that he didn't want to hear anything from Donald Trump. They're looking for anything that they can use to blast out as a political communication, or is there something legal there that they could potentially use for a mistrial or for an appeal? Is there anything that you can glean? I'll give this one to Barbara.
No, Katie, I think what they're trying to do is get under the judge's skin in hopes that he has a temper tantrum and that they can use that as some basis. But no, legally there is just no irregularities going on here. I think this whole thing with the law clerk is an effort to both bait the judge, but also to court the views in public opinion, to suggest that the court clerk is somehow biased based on this photo of her with her own state senator, Chuck Schumer, and to suggest that somehow that means, she's got it in for Donald Trump, and that when she passes notes to the judge, she's telling him to rule against him. But as we just heard, judges rely on their clerks all the time for research, for analysis, for courtroom management, to say your 2 o'clock sentencing conference is here, all kinds of things that they rely on. So this is not a valid basis for any sort of a mistrial. I think they will scream about it just because that's good for PR, but it has no bearing on the trial itself.
All right, Catherine.